In this program, here present the Vice Principal of Enes Kamil Madrasa and the Director, Academic and Management of Nazrul. You know, this institution is number one spoken and IELTS, and also it's famous as a English learning institution. Mizanur Rahman Mizan sir and other guests and students, once again welcome to this program. And you know, we shall overcome song. This song is so much motivational, and this song is sung across the world, and that's why we have arranged this song before you. And all the students, are you ready to sing? Yes, you have to chorus with me. And I think like this way, this song will be enjoyable. Let's start. Get started, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in